In the last class, we completed trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. That is, we proved that sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta, we proved it as sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Next, we prove secant 90 minus theta as cosecant theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta we proved as secant theta. So these are called trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. We proved this sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta, secant 90 minus theta is cosecant theta, cosecant 90 minus theta is secant theta. Using this trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, now this exercise 11.3 is based on these results. Let us start this exercise. Right, first one, evaluate tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. Now here, in this two ratios will be given. To simplify this, what we have to do is, you keep one ratio as it is, don't change it. The other ratio you have to change it. For example, tan 36 degrees by cot. This 54 degrees you write it as 90 minus 36. 54 can be written as 90 minus 36. Now the denominator is in the form of cot 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. So it is in the form of cot 90 minus theta. So it is tan theta, that is tan 36 degrees. So numerator is tan 36, denominator is tan 36. It will get cancelled, we will get the answer 1. Second bit, cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. Here two ratios will be there. Here two ratios will be there. Cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. Here two ratios are there. One ratio you have to keep as it is. The other we have to change. So cos 12 degrees sin 78 degrees you write it as 90 minus 12. This 78 we have to write it as 90 minus 12. So it is cos 12 degrees. This is in the form of sin 90 minus theta. Here sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So sin 90 minus theta, that is cos theta, cos 12. Cos 12 minus cos 12 will get cancelled. So the answer is 0. Third bit, cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. Now the same procedure, two ratios are there. In between them one minus sign is there. So one ratio you have to keep as it is. In other ratio you have to write 90 minus. For example, cosecant 31 degrees minus secant. This 59 degrees you write it as 90 minus 31. 59 is nothing but 90 minus 31. So it is cosecant 31 degrees minus. Now this is in the form of secant 90 minus theta. Secant 90 minus theta is cosecant theta. So it will become cosecant 31 degrees. So cosecant 31 minus cosecant 31 will become 0. Next one, sin 15 degrees into secant 75 degrees. Now here two ratios are there. One ratio I am keeping as it is, sin 15 degrees. Secant 75 can be written as 90 minus 15. 75 can be written as 90 minus 15. So sin 15 degrees into, now this is in the form of secant 90 minus theta. Secant 90 minus theta is nothing but it is cosecant theta. So it will become cosecant 15. Now sin and cosecant both are reciprocal to each other. Cosecant 15 is nothing but 1 by sin 15. This is the reciprocal of sin. So sin 15 you can cancel. The answer is 1. Right, fifth one, tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees. Tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees. Tan 26 degrees you write as it is tan. This 64 can be written as 90 minus 26. 64 we have to write it as 90 minus 26. Now tan 26 degrees into, now this is in the form of tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, so it is cot 26 degrees. Now tan and cot, they are reciprocal to each other, so tan 26, cot can be written as 1 by tan. Cot is nothing but reciprocal of tan. Tan 26 will get cancelled. Now the answer is 1. Right, question number 3. If tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Here the condition given is tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees. We have one formula, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Now this is like tan theta. This tan theta we write it as cot 90 minus theta. Both are same. So here it is in the form of tan theta. So I am writing it as cot 90 minus theta. So 90 minus 2a. Right side you keep as it is cot a minus 18. Left side is in the form of tan theta. So tan theta can be written as cot 90 minus theta. So I am writing tan theta as cot 90 minus theta. RHS you keep as it is. Now both are in tan cot only. Cot 90 minus 2a, cot a minus 18. Both sides you can remove this cot. Then we will get 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. Send all a's one side and numbers other side. 90 minus 18 will become plus 18 is equal to a, minus 2a you send that side, it will become plus 2a. 2a plus a is 3a it is. 90 plus 18 is 108. So a is equal to 108 by 3. So a value is 36 degrees. So first we have to take the given condition tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. This is in the form of tan theta. Tan theta can written as cot 90 minus theta. So tan theta I have written as cot 90 minus theta. Theta is 2a. Now both are on the same ratio cot. You can remove cot on both sides. Trigonometric ratio you can remove. Then we will get 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. Send all variables one side, that is unknowns. A value you have to find. Send all a's one side, numbers other side. So you will get 3a is equal to 108. A value is 108 by 3, which is a value is 36. Right, question number 4. If tan A is equal to cot B, where A and B are acute angles, where A and B are acute angles, then show that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Here condition given is tan A is equal to cot B. Let us take this trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. And tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So like previous problem, I am writing this tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but we have to write it as cot 90 minus theta. So tan A you can write it as cot 90 minus A. Right side you keep as it is cot B. Now both are cot only here, cot 90 minus A, cot B. You can remove cot on both sides. So we will get 90 minus A is equal to B. Send minus A that side. Then you will get A plus B. Therefore the answer is A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Right, question number 6. Express sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Here sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees. Here angles are 65 and 70. Now we have to make the angles between 0 and 45 degrees. Less than 45 we have to write. So in changing the angles we can change trigonometric ratio also. So I am writing 75 as 90 minus 15. 65 you write it as 90 minus 25. So 75 let us write it as 90 minus 15. 65 you write it as 90 minus 25. Now both are in the standard form. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. And if it is in the form of cos 90 minus theta, it is equal to sin theta. Therefore, if you use that formula, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos 15 degrees. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So it is sin 25 degrees. Like this. 75, 65 is expressed as 15 and 25. Below 45 degrees we can write.